me share my drive once with you guys. The notes for this chapter. All right. So we were doing chapter 3, atoms and molecules, and in that I have explained you about the rules, right? What are the rules to write the chemical formulas? Okay. The first rule, second rule, third rule, or 3 rules I have told you. So these are the rules for writing the chemical formula. I have provided you the practice also for few of them, right? What were the 3 rules? The first rule was you have to write the correct symbols. Okay. After that, above each symbol, you have to write their correct valency, and then we have to crisscross the valencies. Okay, and drop the algebraic signs. All right. Then about the subscript, when the subscript is 1, we don't have to mention it. And when there are multiple numbers of individuals, polyatomic ions, then parentheses must be used. Okay, as we have done in this one. Okay, ammonium and sulfate is there. In ammonium sulfate, NH4 ka whole twice SO4. Okay, so I need to use this parenthesis, otherwise it will look like 42. Okay, so these were the rules for writing. Okay, we have done few examples also for this. Today again I'm going to give you a practice for the examples. Okay, you guys have to do this and let me know what will be the formula. You may send it to me in the chat box also. All right. So my first question is, tomorrow I'll provide you a worksheet also regarding this. Okay. All right. So the first formula I want you to make for sodium oxide. I want you guys to make it for sodium oxide.
Ma'am, Na2O.
Na2O.
Okay, how you guys have done? Let me know. Who is going to do it? Who is going to do it here?
Ma'am, me.
Just raise your hands. I'm going to share my whiteboard. Let me check if you are having that option. Okay, Na2O, right? You guys have told me Na2O. So how we have done that? Let me tell you. Okay, sodium. Sodium comes at number?
11.
Ma'am, 11.
11, right? So electronic configuration will be
281. 281.
281.
$281. Yes, you guys are correct. 281. So how many electrons are present in the valence shell?
1.
So what will be the valency of sodium?
1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
All right. Next, I told you about sodium oxide. Right? So next is the oxygen.
Oxygen.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I'm talking about the oxygen, then oxygen comes at number
8.
8.
Ma'am 8.
Ma'am 8.
8. Okay, so electronic configuration will be
26.
6.
how many electrons are needed to complete the octane?
2.
Ma'am 2.
Valency will be
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
okay. Now we are aware what are the symbols and what are the valencies. So let's do it. Okay. Sodium and oxygen. Sodium is having valency +1, oxygen is having -2. Now what we will do?
Ma'am cross multiply.
Cross multiply.
Yes, crisscross the valencies, right? And Na2O1. Should I write this one over here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, because one subscript is not usually written. So this is the formula for sodium oxide. All right. Now I'm asking you for sodium sulfide. Sodium sulfide. Sulfide. Do you know what is the valency of sulfide?
Ma'am 2 minus 2.
Yes, -2.
Minus 2.
Right?
-2.
So now only sodium sulfide, that means Na
Ma'am.
and S.
Ma'am
Yes,
Na2S. Ma'am Na2SO.
yes.
Na2SO.
3.
+1, -2,
Minus 2.
crisscross the valencies. Finally, we will get Na2S. This is sodium
Sodium
sulfide.
sulfide.
Excuse me,
Not
ma'am.
sulfide, it is sulfide.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
सल्फाइड का
dear.
फॉर्मूला तो SO3 होता है.
मैम शिराज को क्लास में एंटर कर लो, मैम वो बोल रहा है.
Beta, I was getting sound from him. Now he will not be able to enter in my class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next, I'm asking you to make the formula of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate.
Ma'am Sa2CO23.
Calcium carbonate. Calcium. Yes, Hitesh, I want to hear from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Calcium comes at number, Hitesh.
Ma'am calcium.
CO3.
Ma'am 20. Calcium
CaCO3.
20.
Calcium comes at number
20.
Ma'am 20.
20. So electronic configuration will be
Ma'am
2882.
2882.
2882.
so valency will be
2.
+1.
because having 2 electrons in its outer shell, so to provide 6 electrons, it has to give 2 electrons to someone. So +2 valency it is having. Now I'm talking you about the calcium carbonate. Carbonate. What is the valency for carbonate?
-2.
Carbonate. What is the formula for carbonate?
CO3.
CO3.
It's CO3.
CO3.
Okay. CO3. And what is the valency of CO3?
-2.
-2.
Yes, -2. Okay. So let's start. Calcium +2, carbonate
-2.
-2, crisscross the valencies. What you will get? This.
Ca2CO3.
Yoga. No,
CA2CO3.
when the valencies are same, they are cancelled. Sorry, Ca +2, CO3 -2. So what you will write? Ca, CO3 only. Okay? ये 2 mention नहीं होगा. When the subscripts are same, when the valencies are same, they are cancelled. Is it clear? Hitesh is
ma'am.
raising his
Yes,
hand.
ma'am.
Hitesh, are you having any doubt, Hitesh?
No, ma'am, you ask now who will do this.
Okay, beta. Okay, dear. No, you are not getting the option of annotate over here. So you will not be able to use it. Okay? All right. Now next option I am providing you. Next time, let me clear this and then next I'm asking you to make it for
Excuse me, ma'am.
aluminium sulfate. Aluminium, make the formula of aluminium sulfate. Okay, now I want to hear from Jaya. Yes, Jaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the symbol of aluminium?
Al.
Okay. What is the atomic number of aluminium?
13.
13.
13.
Electronic configuration?
283.
2H3.
3.
3. How many electrons are present in the valence shell?
3.
3.
So valency will be?
3.
3 plus 3.
Okay, so aluminium is having the valency plus 3. All right. Now I'm asking you for sulfate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
SO.
SO4.
4. SO4.
Okay, SO4. And it is having the valency?
Plus
-2.
Minus 2.
2.
Yes, -2. Now when we are aware of the symbols and along with this also, shall we? Sir, tell him to come with his name only. Then only I will allow. All right. So,
Al2SO3.
we were doing
Al2SO3.
aluminium
SO4.
Sulfate.
3 minus 2 restores the valency. Al2
SO3.
SO4. Am I correct?
No मैम 3 ऊपर
No,
आएगा.
ma'am. 3 ऊपर.
3 ऊपर लिखूं?
No, ma'am. 4 को हटा दो. 3
और
का
हटा दो, ब्रैकेट में लिखोगे.
SO4 ब्रैकेट में.
Yes, Neha?
SO4 ब्रैकेट में.
Yes.
ब्रैकेट में.
Parenthesis. What we call it? Parenthesis must be used over here. This is also one of the rule now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
this is the correct for aluminium sulfate. Okay, Al2SO4 ka whole thrice. Now I am asking you to make it for potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate.
K2SO4.
Potassium. Yes, Riya?
K2SO4.
Okay, how you have made? What is the symbol for potassium, Riya?
K.
K. Can you tell me the Latin name of potassium?
Potassium.
Kalium.
Kalium.
Yes, ma'am. Kalium.
Kalium, that's why it's denoted with K. Okay, what is the atomic number for potassium?
2881.
I'm asking about the atomic number.
19.
Huh?
19.
19.
Yes, ma'am.
Electronic configuration will be
2881.
281. So valency will be
Plus 1.
1.
Plus 1.
Plus
Plus
1.
1.
plus 1. This is for potassium. Valency plus 1. Okay. Now let's move towards the next, that is sulfate. Sulfate is
SO4.
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 Valency is
-2.
-2. Ma'am -2.
okay, -2. And potassium was having plus 1. So let's move. Now we are having the symbols and the valencies with us. Potassium plus 1. Sulfate -2. Just crisscross these valency and we will get
K2SO4.
K2SO4.
SO4.
And about -2.
Did I write this 1 over here?
No ma'am.
No,
Oh,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, because if the subscript is 1, then it is not being written. This is potassium sulfate. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you guys got the confidence? Then you can make the formulas.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next
Ma'am.
topic I'm going to explain you is about the molecular masses. Okay, what is the molecular mass? As you guys are aware about the atomic masses.
Ma'am, molecular mass means sum of atomic masses.
Yes,
Excuse me,
sum of
ma'am.
all the masses of the atoms which are present in a molecule, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, एक atom can see if I'm
Ma'am.
talking about, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes dear.
मैम अगर समझ लो जिसकी दो वैलेंसीज हो तो मैम हम उसका कैसे बनाएंगे?
Means,
जैसे फास्फोरस की है 3 और 5 तो मैम एक बार उसको बना के दिखा दो.
it depends. वो PCl3 भी बनाता है, PCl5 भी बनाता है. ठीक है. If I talk about phosphorus, pentachloride or trichloride, it makes both, right? See, phosphorus trichloride. If I ask you, right? Phosphorus trichloride. Okay, then phosphorus is having valency 3 and 5 both.
PCl3.
Yes. So trichloride, that means PCl3. Phosphorus chlorine is having -1. Okay. And it could be having 3 or 5. Okay. दोनों हो सकती है. So it can make PCl3 also and it can make PCl5 also. Phosphorus trichloride and pentachloride both could be made. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Yeah. If it will be having
मैम
valency
PCl3 मैम PCl5 बनता है क्या?
हाँ, pentachloride, phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, all right. Now, if I'm asking you for the molecular masses, okay, first of all, let me explain you what is molecular. See, molecular mass, as Rita told only, it is the sum. Okay, it is the sum of all the masses of all the atoms which are present in a molecule. Now let me discuss it about the water. Water is made up of
Hydrogen.
hydrogen and
Hydrogen.
oxygen.
This is the chemical formula for water.
Yes, ma'am.
Explaining you with the simplest example. And hydrogen comes at number 1 and its atomic mass is,
One new.
1.
One.
yes. Oxygen comes at number 8 and its atomic mass
Eight.
is
8.
16 new.
16 new.
16 mu. Now, how many atoms of hydrogen are present over here?
2.
2.
1 is the atomic mass and how many atoms are present? 2.
2.
So I have multiplied 1 into 2 plus all the atomic masses we have to add. Now oxygen is having 16. Now 2 into 1 is equals to 2 plus 16. So what will be the total atomic mass
18.
for
18.
one atom molecule
18
of
U.
water?
18.
Yes.
18 U.
18 mu. Okay, so this 18 mu is the molecular mass for water. Now let's find out for takes one more example. If I'm asking you for CH4, okay. Okay, now let me know carbon. What is the mass of carbon?
12.
12 mu.
Ma'am, 12.
Okay, hydrogen.
1 mu.
One new.
1 U.
Okay, so wait, beta. Firas, if you want to attend my class, keep yourself muted, beta. Okay, carbon 12 mu, hydrogen 1 mu. All right. Now, how many atoms of carbon are here?
12.
One only.
12.
12.
12 1 plus
Plus
hydrogen 1
What?
One
is
into
the
1.
atomic mass and 4 are here. So now 12 plus 4. So it will be
16.
16.
16 mu.
16 mu. Okay. This is for CH4. Now I'm going to ask you for one more simple example, that is carbon dioxide. Yes, Hitesh?
मैम
CO2.
हमारी
Yes, Hitesh?
मैम हमारी बुक में एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है HNO3 का, मैम वो भी बता दो.
Okay, I will tell you for nitric acid also.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
So, tell me for this carbon dioxide. Carbon is having mass.
12.
12.
मैम 12 न्यू.
Oxygen.
16 mu.
न्यू.
So, how many atoms of carbon are here?
12.
12.
One and a
28
ma'am.
mu.
one atom. 12 into 1. Oxygen is having mass 16. And how many atoms of oxygen are here?
2.
2.
2.
2.
2.
So 12 plus 16 into 2.
32.
32.
44.
Third.
So what we
मैम
will get?
44.
44.
44 mu.
44.
44,
44 न्यू.
84. So 44 mu is the molecular mass for carbon dioxide. Now you guys are asking me for nitric acid. Okay,
Ma'am.
so let me go with the nitric acid now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, beta, let me explain this, then I'll come to you, Piyush. Yes, so I want to hear from Neha now. Yes, Neha? Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Tell me, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen?
Ma'am, of kiska?
Hydrogen.
Ma'am, 1 u.
Nitrogen?
Nitrogen.
Yes.
Nitrogen का नहीं पता.
Drishti Jain?
मैम 14.
Drishti
Ma'am,
Jain.
14, ma'am.
14.
मैम 14.
14.
Unmute yourself, Drishti. Okay, oxygen. For oxygen it is?
16 mu. 16 mu.
16.
Ma'am 16.
Okay. Now, hydrogen, how many atoms of hydrogen we are having here?
मैम 1.
1.
1.
Ma'am 1.
Nitrogen,
1.
1.
1 plus oxygen
3.
3.
into 3.
3.
Sorry, I'm not having space. Okay. So, all right. So, 1 into 1, 1 plus 14 into 1, 14
14.
plus 16 into 3,
48.
48.
48.
48.
Okay. I'm getting 48 over here. So now let me know that what will be the total?
63
Ma'am
new.
63.
60?
mu.
3.
63 mu.
Ma'am 63.
Okay, 63 mu. All right. This is the answer. Okay. For if I talk about nitric acid, the molecular mass for nitric acid is 63 mu. All right. One more example.
Ma'am,
Methyl alcohol I want to provide you. Let me know about for methyl alcohol now. Methyl alcohol is methyl hydroxide, CH3OH, sorry. Methyl hydroxide. Okay. All right. Now, who is going to tell me for this? Sorry. Okay, I want to hear from Let me check the participants. Aditya Kumar Singh. Yes, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now answer me. Will you be able to tell me the molecular mass for this?
Ma'am, of what?
Molecular mass.
Ma'am, किसका?
Iska methyl hydroxide. Carbon. Let me know what is. If I talk about carbon, then carbon is having the mass.
12 new.
I'm 12.
Hydrogen,
One new.
1 new.
oxygen. See यहाँ पर
16 new.
16 new.
16.
ऑक्सीजन का अलग लोगे, हाइड्रोजन का अलग लोगे. ऑक्सीजन
16 new.
16 mu.
and again hydrogen 1 mu.
New.
So let's discuss for this now. Okay, so carbon we are having 12. How many atoms of carbon are here? Should I
1.
One.
plus hydrogen is having mass 1. How many atoms of hydrogen are here?
3.
3.
Three.
Okay, oxygen is having mass 16. How many atoms of oxygen are here?
1. 1.
Again, hydrogen is having mass 1. How many atoms of hydrogen are there?
1. 1.
Okay, now let me know what is the molecular mass for this.
33.
12 plus 3 plus 16.
Ma'am 31.
31.
I'm 31.
31.
Ma'am 32. Ma'am 32.
32 ma'am.
32.
Ma'am 32 होगा.
32.
32.
32
32 is the molecular mass for this. Okay. All right. Now,
Ma'am,
let me give you one more example.
31
Potassium carbonate. Let me know this for potassium carbonate.
May I?
Yes, Riya, you may. Potassium. What is the mass of
39.
potassium?
I'm
39 new.
Okay, sorry. It is 39. All right, carbon.
12 mu.
12
new.
new.
All right. After that, oxygen.
16 mu.
16 new.
I'm 16.
Okay, now let's discuss. As potassium is having 39, how many atoms of potassium are there?
2.
2.
It with 2 plus carbon 12. And how many atoms are here?
1.
Ma'am 1. Carbon के
Where you have to use multiplication sign and where the sign of addition you should know. Okay. All right. This is the last sum I am explaining you, and then the next practice we will do in our next class. Okay. Do the practice by yourself till then. Let me complete it. 16 into 3. So 39 into 2.
78.
78.
138 mu.
Plus 12, 16 threes are 48.
48.
So now, what we got finally
138 mu.
Ma'am 138 new.
138 mu.
138 mu.
is
I'm 138.
138 mu is the molecular mass for potassium carbonate. Okay? Is this concept, in the next class I will clear the concept of this, what is formula unit mass and what is molecular mass. Okay, I will make it clear to you guys. Till then, take care and thank you so much for today's class. Have a nice day, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.